I'm pleased to welcome Norman Williams, President and CEO of Rambler Mining and Metals. So, Norman, talk to us about the project in Newfoundland.
Yeah, sure. We've been producing mine since 2011. Reactivated an old mine that previously produced between 1972 and 1982. Been producing for about 4 years now. Currently undergoing a large expansion, doubling our production from 650 tonnes per day upwards to 1,250 tonnes per day. Targeting to be there by July of next year.
Okay, so talk to us about maybe the investor potential. Why should investors look at your company?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, base metals. For anybody that believes in base metals, and we're certainly believers in a rebounding copper market, copper price. Rambler is certainly undervalued in the market right now, in our view, and as we deliver on this expansion, we're looking to increase our NAV potential. Right now, we're trading at about 0.4 times. Looking to move up the curve from that perspective, and I think we got the project to do it with the expansion that we have underway. And beyond that, we got further potential beyond this 1,250 tonnes per day or 450,000 tonne per day operation to further expand. We're looking at future opportunities. Visit our website. We have lots of information there on that expansion.
Very good. Now talk to us about some financial details of Rambler. What is important to mention to us?
Yeah, so right now we're coming off a year of about a C1 cost of $1.70 copper per pound of copper, net of byproduct credit. So what we're looking to do with our expansion now is, basically we got a 20-year life of mine. We're looking to set up the mine, put more output from the back end into the plant, to overall lower our C1 cost for a 20-year period at around that 170 or below rate. Once we get into full production by next July, we'll produce about 16 million pounds of copper. So using around a 270 copper price long term, which I think is a very modest view on copper, the project has the potential to generate about $8 to $10 million in free cash flow, EBITDA number for about 15 million. And then we're looking at further opportunities to further expand to 2,000 tonnes in the underground using ore pre-concentration and dense media separation. So then there's further uplift certainly from a valuation perspective.
Right. So where is copper demanded? For those of us who don't know where the market is.
Copper itself is clearly an industrial metal that's worldwide. The world needs copper. Your microphone probably has copper in it. The lights, the cameras that were around. It's certainly a base metal. It's an element that's widely used, and we certainly believe the fundamentals are right. More on the supply side than anything that's really going to drive our price upward as we move forward. Right.
Now at Mines and Money here in London, what have you been looking for from the people who are here?
It's basically we're looking to get the story out. Rambler was viewed in the market as being a short life of mine, but with our 2015 PFS, what we're looking at now is a 20-year life of mine. So it is a new story. It's fully funded. It's undervalued, and with the expansion in play, there is a real good valuation proposition here, and that's what we're promoting. We're trying to get the story out there.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure being here.
At Mines and Money in London, I'm Rachel Lee for SmallCapPower.